Welcome back, and for this tutorial we're going to go over how to add a name and number to your t-shirt. So we'll click add name and number. We'll go with gray for the name and number. We'll leave the size as 2 inches for the name, and we'll go ahead and change the number to 6 inches. The font, we're going to go change that to Modern 21 for the name and Modern 21 for the number as well. For the name, we'll use Smith and the number 10. For the size, we'll just go ahead and use a large. And if you want to add another, we can just click that button right there, add another, and fill out the rest of the information for that. When you're all set, click add to order. If there are any notes that you want to add along with this, right below finalize, click add note, and type in any message. If you want to save your design, go ahead and click save and share. You can also click get a quote. From there, they'll give you a pricing of each shirt and the design itself. Or if you're ready to check out and pay for your order, go ahead and click check out.